Yo, welcome back. This is not my YouTube channel. Y'all better go like and subscribe after this. Y'all gotta go like and subscribe after this. I'm tired. I just woke up, but I want to do this for you guys. So, this is the whole GitHub tutorial process thing, and it's not bad. It's not bad. That's why I'm like, it would have been easier if you knew how to use Git Bash. Let me just do this quick. Just Git Bash. So yeah, this is what we're using, right? Git version control system. So it's kind of like there's a tool called Git Bash, which is the one that you're supposed to download, and then you can run this from the command line. Like there's other ways of doing this, but like, hey bro, I don't take shortcuts. I honestly don't take shortcuts. So it would be easy if you knew how to use Git Bash. I have Git Bash open right now. It's this little window thing that you see right here. Okay, so now let's say I wanna say sure. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna say and this is just like for me to actually like go back to GitHub quick, and then so what I'm gonna try do now is take this CV tutorial thing and like commit it, right? That's all you're trying to do. So now I'm currently on my desktop directory in my PC, and okay, I think I'm just gonna have to do something quick. Okay, no, I don't. So now that we're here, right, I'm just gonna say git init. So that's gonna like initialize a GitHub repository practically. So now if you can see users Rory's desktop dot git. So now there's a dot git ignore file on my desktop, which means I'm tracking the things that are happening on my desktop. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna say I'm gonna copy this. Hey, okay, this is not my address. I'm like Seymour Street. It sounds familiar. Anyway, yeah. So now the process is git clone, and then repository, whatever I just copied. Okay, that's not the right one. I'm gonna do it again. Git clone paste, cloning into CV tutorial Goober. If you wanna check out my GitHub, you can do your thing, bruh. I'm not gonna like, bruh. It's okay, dude. It's okay. I'm not gonna like judge you. Loki will, cause it's like dry as hell. But anyway, okay, now we have cloned the project onto our desktop, right? And then I'm gonna say change directory. That's what cd means. And the name of this thing is to cv tutorial lib goober. Don't ask me why the name. I just chose it. I was young, guys. I was young. So now if you can see like on my thing, this is the project on my like PC. This is the name of it. Like if you look here, cloning into CV tutorial Google, there. It's gonna be the same for you guys too. And then change directory. Cool beans. I already initialized a repository for my desktop. But if I wanted to do it for this folder, you just git init again. Reinitialize the existing Git repository from that location into here now. Okay, cool beans. And then now is how you commit. So committing is just commit git commit and then m is just like it's a message since you like committing a message. So like after I actually go and change that CV yada yada. What do they call it? CV review. Yeah, the CV like the CV review, nah. Like you'll go after this. This is just like the pre-setup. Like once you finish like updating that form, you will come back into this thing and then you're gonna say, nah, I'm lying. It's supposed to be git add, git add. Okay, wait, let's do this. So, um, I can say www work. Okay, no, that just shows you the directory. So I'm gonna say sure. Okay, you see CV review.doc. That's the name of the document we pulled from the GitHub. Now it's in our project. So I'm gonna say git add. I want to see if this is gonna work. Review. Excuse me. Yes. So now you see like it's just blank. That means it's good job. Good job done. Good job done. So it means you just added it into the Git not the Git repository, but like you added it into the version control. Like now you're like handling that like that object. It is in your Git version control. And to see that, say git status. On branch main, your branch is up to date with origin main, nothing to commit, working team, working tree clean. Highly doubt that, bro. Let me see. Git commit and completed the task of clone main label and made changes. Now prepare and push. On main branch, up to date. Okay, I think I just need to add all the files. Git add. So now I added all the files to my thing, right? Which is pretty cool. Like I wanted to add that individual file. It's easier to like do it with like Python files or Java files because like there's usually no spaces in between. Because here I'm checking, yo, there's a space in between, but I can just say git status again. Okay, what do you mean nothing to commit though? It's kind of scaring me. But anyway, I'm just gonna push that commit message again. Okay, just pretend like it's working. Which is not to say like it's gonna happen like this. Like literally, it's gonna work because I've already done the whole thing. So now, after you added the files, wait, this thing is in my way. Can't see myself. After you added the files, after you like so yeah, the process is clone, add the files, like git add thingy A, and then it's git commit the commit message after you've done like the document, after you've done your thing and saved it. Then you're gonna come back, git, okay, completed the task. This is what I did, and then you're gonna say git push origin and origin name. It's not gonna work right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. Highly doubt it's gonna work. Everything up to date. My nigga, push the work. Like I already did it though. You know what I mean? Everything up to date. There's nothing to push because nothing has been changed. But yeah, I hope this helps. Like literally, if you follow the steps of git clone the whole entire project, right? Go into the directory, and then you go and edit the document. You save it. Then you come back, and then you're gonna say git add a. Now you're gonna add all the documents that are in that directory. And then your commit message is saying what you actually did, and then git push origin main, and then there's also git set remote upstream, something like that. Like yeah, something like that, nah. Oh yeah, no, it's set upstream, set upstream. And what set upstream is used for is like now I'm gonna go here, and copy this, and come back here, and come back here, and come back here. Then set upstream. Set live. You see see what I'm saying? Like, bro, Git is weird. Git. Because what set upstream is used for is like to say like this is where I want it to go. Like he's setting the upstream, up the stream. Yeah, I just woke up, bro. Like I don't want to say I'm tired. I had a good morning so far. So let's see. See, get in it, get clone, then get add, then get commit. But I can't see. Okay, git push. Yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. I believe in you. You got this. Like literally, it's not that bad. I think it's because I've already done it. That's why I'm like, yo, it wasn't that bad. You see, changes the CV review. Like if you look on my screen, like here, here's my commit message. Change the CV review document and then show to fill out all the necessary forms 2 days ago. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Hope you guys do it. I believe in you. Peace, peace, peace.